Okay, here's our walnut hulling operation. We got the truck, one wheel jacked up, got it in reverse, got a board held up there with a concrete block, another couple of 2x4s down here to stop the ones that going too far, and we've rigged up a cardboard chute to drop the walnuts in. Hopefully it'll work a little better than it did last time I tried it. There we go, hold. Let's try one that's not, that one works pretty good. Sometimes they get hung up for a little bit. And they work best if they're the round ones. But we can slide one that's kind of crushed with a couple of them in there. And they do pretty good. Now, I'm going to have to rig up a better chute before I do a whole bunch. But this works pretty good. Now the truck's blocked so it can't run off on it. Occasionally one will get hung up like that, and then we have to shut off the truck. I probably got it jacked up just a little bit too high, but use a cane to pull some of the stuff out. Throw the hulls over behind the board there. Now when I fire it back up, those should come shooting out. And if they don't, we'll just poke some more in behind them. Break them loose. Anyway, that's how we're doing it. Works pretty good most of the time, but still get the fingers all dirty when you're finishing them up. So, but that ain't no big deal for me. Love y'all. See you on the creek. Bye.